bright day in an unexpected way. Take him by surprise. Every piece of my mind wants to comprehend what it might find. A signal, a beacon, a clear path to seeing. No situation I've ever been in the magic was shown with its expectations, unknown, both pure and sweet. The allure is deep, existing in perspective. Not all would be receptive to understand what is truly representative of a moment in time, seemingly sent by the divine, for it was so fine, for it was so fine, it was so fine.